Greetings, blossoming Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. It's the month of February, so I definitely wanted to show you guys some of my favorite African American bedazzlers. So I want to start with the very first bedazzler that ever reached out to me, and her name is Tailor. So this is her Instagram page. I'm really shocked because she used to have I don't know, 10,000 followers. So I'm not really sure what happened to her page, but definitely go follow her at Ty Shoe Designs. And she also has a YouTube channel. So that's how I met her. She definitely reached out to me through YouTube and I asked her for her phone number. And she was super helpful with discussing the business side of how to bedazzle because, being a young black girl, I don't know nothing about business. So she was very helpful in talking about, setting up escrow accounts and just handling my business, how to conduct your business, how to make sure you don't get scammed and all types of stuff like that. So she's great. I want you to go watch her videos. So far, she has 5,000 views. Help her get that up. Okay, guys? Thank you. The next person is Diamond Designs, and I met her at the Boss Conference. She's super dope. She's worked with a couple celebrities. This is something that she made for Cora Jakes Coleman. And then I know she made this for K. Michelle. She has that cup and the microphone. So she just does phenomenal work. Storm Nation is for Coach Stormy. And yeah, I love her work. She sells crystals. I think she's gonna do classes, but she is healing her body right now because she was diagnosed with cancer. So she's in the process of, healing her body. But she's super dope and she has great energy. And yeah, she was super nice when I met her at the Boss Conference. Right there. Y'all can see me. Oh yeah, that was so girl. I want you to go follow her at Diamond Designs. I'm not sure if she's taking orders. Let's see. Let's click on her link tree. I don't know. It's not working, but check her out. The next person's Infamous Rocks. I really like her shoes that she does. Uggs. She does custom shoes. Her choice of colors. I've seen, I think this Sweetie. Is this Sweetie? Sweetie? Let's see. Yes, it is. So she did her Jordans. And she just does really dope, shoe customs. So if you're into that, if you're a sneakerhead and you want to see lots of inspiration, or I don't know, if you want to commission her, definitely reach out to her. See, I'm not a sneaker person. So you would never really find this on my page. So I hope that helps you guys. The next person is Z Monet. And I'm very proud of her. Every time I look at her Instagram, her numbers go up. So I don't know, that puts a smile on my face. But she blings, she uses a variety of stones. I don't think she mostly uses Swarovski, but that's not her thing. And she'll mention that, she really don't care. So if you guys are not crazy about Swarovski, you really don't care, you just like sparkle. And she's a great person to follow. She does a lot of shoes and I don't know, she does a little bit of everything. I like to look at her hair pictures because her hair is bomb.com. But she also has classes. So I don't know. Follow her. Support. Next up. Oh, the next person, where is she at? Oh, so the next person is really Tailor Made Bling 1, right? And she's the person who makes J-Lo's cups. So that's her. And as you guys know, J-Lo's cup was in the Super Bowl commercial. So she does a lot of tumblers, a lot of small projects. I would think that you'd have to reach out for a custom quote. It says inquiries, you DM or you email her. But if you guys didn't know, J-Lo's cup has its own Instagram page with almost 4,000, followers. And Yeah, it's crazy. Like, people legit follow her cup. It's not a game. It's definitely a lifestyle. I have like 6 cups myself, but they don't look like the Starbucks cups. They're all different. The next person is Alluring Ice, and she made a cup for Cardi B and a couple of celebrities. I really like her. I think she's dope. She has sales if you guys want to actually purchase like a tumbler. So that's super dope. So, I mean, my heart would have been racing if that was me. And then Cardi reposted it. So that's amazing. The last person is your girl, Blossom and Jasmine. I want you to support me. It takes a lot to try to be consistent or to, to be consistent. And I've definitely been consistent. You guys can see my work. Your girl has been putting in the work. So check out some of my videos. I have tons of tutorials. I have kind of classes explaining about crystals, how to buy crystals, fabrics. That's my Bentley key. I show you guys my shoes. These are all of my shoes. I talk about my hair. Check it out. You know what I mean? That's my client. Um, you know, check your girl out. But I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram by clicking on this button. Find me on Facebook by clicking here. Or you can take my online classes by clicking on this icon. Or you can go to my website by clicking this icon. All right. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. With love, always, Blossom and Jasmine.